goodness, it looks insane. This is so cool. Wow.
All right, so why don't you tell me a little bit about your hair? I know that you do quite a bit of modeling.
Yes.
So I'm assuming that you need to keep your hair pretty natural and close-ish to what this is because of your headshots, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
From what you can see down here, like this is a really beautiful, like sunshine, bright blonde. And then you have just your natural up here, which is really gorgeous as well. Would you prefer to do it more of a like sun-kissed way, or do you want it pretty uniform?
I want it to be like an overall straight color.
Okay.
But if possible, have it so that it grows out naturally.
You do have like in your natural, like I would say like a large distribution of yellow. So you're someone who I'm assuming you probably pull a little bit warmer when it starts to fade out, right? Let's do a little bit of a cooler end result for you, but nothing that is going to make it feel too drab or too fake. Just something that still feels really bright, really sunny, really natural, really blonde, but cut out a little bit of that brass.
Yeah, exactly.
Does that sound good?
That sounds perfect.
Okay,
I'm excited.
With this classic head of baby lights that we're doing, every once in a while, I'm just going to add in a highlight or a baby light down and through those ends. And that's gonna help mimic what's going on at the top with what's going on at the bottom as well. So it looks more natural, it's still really soft, and it will also help to break up that dark band of box color. So this will make it a lot more gentle and natural of a lift. So I can see that a lot of it still looks really nice and light. So I'm just gonna do a baby light down through there as well, just to help break it up. So it looks more like a cascade of color versus a big block of color or a big dark patch in your hair. And I'm not going to back comb it because your hair, you have a ton of it. And with your ends being so light and already having so much of that past color in there, I just don't want to create any damage to your hair. So I'm going to take it really nice and natural and just feather it up as it would look normally in nature. Still light, still bright, and really natural and more sun-kissed.
my goodness. Wow.
How's that feel?
Oh my goodness. It looks insane. This is so cool. Wow. Thank you.
You
Oh
are
my
welcome.
goodness.